Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be talking about the KÉRASTASE Densifique mask. It's completely different from all the other masks that I've tried in this channel before, so I'm super excited to try it. So let's go ahead and start this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. And here we are. So now I'm gonna start brushing through my hair. I am extremely excited about this mask because it's completely different than anything I've tried before, and this is actually the first time I'm trying it. This Densifique KÉRASTASE mask is supposed to help with the loss of density in the hair and also for hair loss, but I personally wanted to try it out for the density of the hair. But if you also have hair loss problems and things like that, this is the KÉRASTASE line you should be looking for. I went ahead and bought only the mask first because the mask in most cases is always the main focus of the treatment, and if I decide that I like it enough, I will go ahead and buy the shampoo and the leave-in as well, and probably the conditioner. We'll see. Guys, just to pause, please don't mind the boxes in the back and the kind of mess there is right here. We're moving to a new apartment and it's been chaotic in here, so please don't mind it, and soon you'll see that I'll have a new background and a new place to do my videos, and I'm super excited for that. But for now, we're still being in this kind of a mess right here. But anyways, let's focus on this mask. I don't know if you guys noticed, but brushing was insanely easy. It took me 15 seconds. My hair is completely loose and it feels so soft and actually moisturized. I'm loving it already. Okay, so we have to talk a little bit about the texture of this mask because it really was different from all the masks I've tried from KÉRASTASE and other brands actually. It has like a jelly texture. It feels super weird, but it really works. I think for all KÉRASTASE masks that I've tried, this one is the one that I had to use the last product. It was very impressive, I swear. Like, a very little product goes a very long way. Another thing that's different about this mask is that with masks and conditioners, we tend to apply only to the ends of our hair. But with this mask, it is a little bit different. So we don't necessarily apply it to the root, but around like 2 or 3 fingers from it, but we come up with it a little bit because it treats the entire hair, not only the ends. It regenerates the hair from the root to the ends, so we apply the product actually all over our hair, which is a very weird feeling because, you know, you feel like you're doing something wrong, but in the end it pays off. And from what I can tell right now, my hair doesn't feel like it's gonna be dirty anytime soon. It actually feels super clean and super loose, and I'm loving it actually, I really am. This mask is supposed to plump our hair. It's supposed to look fuller and have more of a body, I'd say. According to the KÉRASTASE website, it also compensates the irregularities on the surface of the hair, so it's supposed to look full from the root to the end. It also texturizes and gives substance and resilience to the hair. It regenerates the hair from the root to the tip, which is amazing because most masks only work on the tip and ends of our hair. It leaves the hair looking fuller and thicker and adds a little bit of volume as well. A couple of key ingredients in this little mask over here are the stemoxidine. I hope I'm saying it right, but what it does is it awakens the dormant follicles in the hair, which means it will promote hair growth. It also has the hyaluronic acid, which retains 10,000 times its weight in moisture, which basically leads to a hydrated and plumped hair. It also has the glucopeptide, which is responsible for compensating the surface irregularities that I talked about. And finally, it has ceramides, which are responsible for strengthening the hair. And now that my hair has dried a little bit naturally, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it so we can see the final results, but I really am very excited about it. My hair feels super loose and super soft. Let's see how it ends up looking. Okay, wow, I don't have words really. I love it. I feel like it has a lot more volume than usual. It feels so good, I swear. It feels so loose. It feels so clean. It's so weird because usually when we hydrate our hair, most of the times it feels a little bit heavy, and you know, you feel like it's gonna get dirty soon, but I swear it feels so loose and clean, and it smells, oh my god, the smell is to die for, really. It's so good. While it has more volume than usual, I feel like the frizz is down. Like, it looks so good. It really does. It's impressive. Really, really, really impressive, guys. And this, more than any other KÉRASTASE mask that I've tried, is definitely a treatment because it also helps with hair loss, like I said. So it is definitely a long-term treatment, but for the first time I'm using it, it feels clean and fresh. It also has volume and I just like it a lot. I hope you guys can see how good it looks because I definitely loved it a lot. I will be trying it a couple more times and see how the results go on the long term, at least for a month, I'd say. And I'll probably buy the shampoo and the leave-in, and I'll come back and do a full video with the entire line. And I'll probably do some before and afters if you guys would like that. This is really impressive, guys, and it's definitely one of the best KÉRASTASE masks that I've tried, at least for my hair. But this is it for this video, guys. If you have any products that you want me to try, please comment them down below so I can go ahead, buy them, and try them for you. If you still haven't, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!